Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to change an old shirt into a super cute reusable bag. You can use this for grocery shopping or whatever you want. So first, I'm going to start by cutting off the end of my shirt. If you can just skip this part if you don't have a weird end. Or if you want to cut your end off, I guess you can. I don't really care. So now what you're going to do is flip it inside out, make it neater, and cut off both sleeves. Now if you save the sleeves, I'll show you what to do with them at the end. Next you're going to cut out the neckline. This is pretty standard. Mine had a weird tie thing at the front, whatever it is, so I had to cut around that. Now flip it inside out again, look at it, see if you like it, make adjustments if you don't. Pretty standard. And what I'm going to do, just because mine is really wonky, I'm going to make the edges more even. So just cutting off the excess stuff that we don't need, you know. We don't need it here. We don't. Goodbye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I'm so weird. Anyway, so next, you're gonna look at it, see if you like it. Again, if you don't, keep customizing it. Also cut little bits at a time. Next, you're going to want to take 1-inch strips and like cut 1 inch up. You'll see it on the video. Once you get to the end of that, make sure to cut the edges off too. Now, I tried to zoom in, but I did not see that it was out of focus, so that was my fault. And you're just gonna tie the two pieces into a knot. You can see by my very crappy representation of this. Make sure to tie it twice for an extra secure hold. Also, if you don't want the edges sticking out, then you can fold it inside out and then do it, and then you won't have the fringe, I guess, if that makes any sense to any of you at all. So now I zoomed out for, you know, your full experience, because that's what we do here at Sadie Pauline. And just wait. This took me about like an hour, so if you do this like in front of the TV, watch something, it's a great boredom buster, especially since, you know, everything that's happening in the world right now. It's great to have something to do, and you can just use an old t-shirt that you don't like anymore and reuse it and make something you do like. Now, for the grand reveal, this is what it looked like before. It's pretty cute, but look at it after. And then I just put the sleeve over my face because I thought it would look cute, but it didn't really. But it can count as a mask too, so now you have a bag and a mask, so you're welcome. Anyway, I think this turned out super cute. I don't know why I put 3 unicorns in that bag, but my mind just thought it was the right thing to do. Anyway, I think this turned out super cute. I really hope you enjoyed this easy craft you can do. And if you've tried it, please like this video and comment down below your favorite stuffed animal. Okay, alright, love you guys, bye!